If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! So, meron na naman tayong PSA return guys! This one is batch 52. So, open na natin para ma-deliver na natin ngayon. Kasi hinihintay na ng mga may-ari. So if you're interested in grading your cards guys, you can contact me, Kiel Santos. Naka-tape to, hindi nyo in-open. Okay. Nasaan ba yung aking scissors? Kailangan ko na yata maging Peter Makanin guys. Laging may knife sa kamay. Okay, ito muna. Let's go. Alright. First, Dawn PSA 10, Tepig PSA 10, Meowth PSA 9, pangalan nito Glacian PSA 8, Mega Absol PSA 10, Espion PSA 10, Uta PSA 10, Gardevoir PSA 10, Donolet PSA 10, Suicune PSA 10, then Mew, and of course the Mega Charizard PSA 10. So all goods. Magaganda yung grades natin guys. So, ayun guys, sa weekends, nasa Toycon tayo. Kaya, punta tayo guys. See you there. Babiaya ko guys. Papuntang Toycon. Kung may papagrade din kayo, you can meet me up. Just chat me. Wait lang. The regional finalists, PSA 9, Umbreon PSA 9. Next one, Mega Lucario. May Kangaskhan pala sa baba. Ngayon ko lang nakita. PSA 10. Mega Latias. PSA 10. Mewtwo Collection Box. PSA 10. Dragonite. PSA 9. Raikou. PSA 10. This one. White Reshiram. PSA 10. Mega Latias again, PSA 10. Rotom, PSA 10. Nami, PSA 10. And last, 2 PSA 10 dito. And PSA 10, man na rin pala to. So yun guys, welcome back to another video, Maypi. Ito yung part 2 ng batch 51. So nauli lang kaya ngayon ko lang dumating. So ngayon lang natin i-unbox. So this one is the batch 51. Still batch 51. Yung mga susunod na batch meron din hiwalay siguro. Ewan ko. Anyways, Ay, pangit kasi ito. Ito na lang. Yan. Unahin natin dito guys. Oh, stack of goodies. First, Charizard PS810. Next one, Gengar PS810. Japanese, Bubble Mew PS810. Lugia. Rayquaza PSA 10. Tapos Gold Dragonite pero Japanese PSA 10. Next one, Sharpedo PSA 10. Halos PSA 10 pala to. Next one, Pikachu PSA 10 again. Charizard PSA 6. Next, Shanks PSA 10. And then Dragonite, ito English naman, PSA 9. Next, Bubble Mew PSA 10. Tapos MTG, Magic of the Gathering, si Kara the Fierceless. Katara pala, Kara PSA 10. Then this one, Jesse and James PSA 10. Gardevoir PSA 10. Umuulan guys eh. Charizard Hyper PSA 10. Next, Charizard Phantasmal Flame PSA 9. Another Rayquaza guys, celebration. May 30th anniversary na tayo this coming September. So, panigurado, another big hitter na naman yan. So, first one, Nico Robin PSA 10. Second one, Lugia PSA 10. Vivi PSA 10. So, Goku PSA 10. Kaboom PSA 10. 9 pala. Then Helix F1, si Lando Norris PSA 10. Pikachu PSA 9. Then the Auto PSA 10. Next one, Zekrom PSA 9. Kobe PSA 10. And another Vivi PSA 10. So that's it guys. Yun yung batch 51 ng PSA return. If you're interested in grading your cards until regular, pwede pa tayo. Regular, express, super express, yan yung mga acceptable pa. So pag-grade na guys para makita nyo rin yung high chance value cards nyo. So I hope you enjoy my video. Click that notification bell, keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.